Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your saved posts on Reddit. Let's get started. First, open the Reddit app on your phone or go to reddit.com in your browser. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Now, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Saved. Here, you'll see all the posts and comments you've saved on Reddit. You can scroll through the list and open any saved post anytime you want. If you're using Reddit on a computer, click on your profile icon, then select Saved from the drop-down menu. And that's it. This is how you can easily find your saved posts on Reddit. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.